Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Friday, the 2nd of July 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Sean Aylmer. After a rough start to the new financial year, the S&P ASX 200 had a much better session today, gaining 43 points, or 0.6%, to finish at 7,309 points. The market was pretty much flat for the week. There were a few standout performers today. Oil group Woodside Petroleum was up 3%, while financial services giant Macquarie Group, toll road operator Transurban and ANZ all finished more than 1% higher. So too did gaming machine manufacturer Aristocrat Leisure and online property outfit REA Group. Gold miner Newcrest was the worst of the big caps, off 1.7%. Newcrest's share price is now more than 20% lower than a year ago. IDP Education finished the day up more than 20%. It came after the Learning Group said it had acquired the British Council's IELTS operations in India for around $240 million. That acronym stands for International English Language Testing System, and India is its biggest market and growing fast. Next best was the A2 Milk Company, which has had a very tough year. It was up 5.2% today, while Nickel Mines was 5% higher. The worst performer was IPH Limited, the intellectual property services company, which fell more than 5%. Westpac revealed that it was exposed to a potential $200 million fraud today. A company called Forum Finance was at the centre of a complex potential fraud involving lease equipment. Westpac also said it will pay $87 million in compensation to customers of its BT Wrap platform who hadn't been notified of corporate activity that had occurred over a 15-year time frame. Sounds like the systems weren't working. Seven Group, which is attempting to buy Boral, has called on the building materials company to suspend its share buyback program. Seven has made an $8.8 billion bid and today argued that Boral should be in a blackout period, meaning no internal share trading, ahead of the August 24 results. Seven's share price jumped more than 2% today. Boral's share price closed unchanged at $7.36. We'll find out over the weekend if Seven hits its target of 34.5% of Boral shares by the end of today. And Bluebet, a gaming startup listed on the ASX today, jumping 84% on the opening, before finishing the day up 56%. Everyone loves gaming stocks. In economic news, investor lending for housing hit its highest level in 6 years during May, according to the Australian Bureau of Statistics. Total new housing loan commitments rose almost 5% to a new high of almost $33 billion, driven by those investors. The Aussie dollar is trading at 74.6 US cents. That's a bit stronger than where we started the day. And just recapping Wall Street, the S&P 500 finished up 0.5% at another high. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed up 0.4% and the Nasdaq ended the session 0.1% higher. That's it for the afternoon market report for Friday, the 2nd of July 2021. Join me tomorrow morning for the weekend edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.